Good morning to everyone. We're thankful to be here on the Lord's Day to worship the Lord and to remember His great sacrifice. I appreciate the reading of Revelation chapter 5 as we began our service. We're going to talk about Revelation chapter 11 verses 1 and 2, and we call this Measuring the Temple. And I have 8 questions for you to think about, thought questions to introduce our thinking to this topic. So think about these questions and look for the answers. If you don't already know them, hopefully you'll discover the answers as we study. Number 1, what is the theme of chapter 11, verses 1 and 2? Number 2, what are the 2 popular views about the temple of Revelation 11? Number 3, when Solomon dedicated the temple in the Old Testament, what indicated God's presence inside the temple? Number 4, what happened to the temple in the days of Ezekiel? Number 5, according to the book of Revelation, how do Christians worship at an altar? Number 6, what does the courtyard symbolize? We'll be reading about the courtyard of the temple. What's that symbolize? Number 7, what Old Testament prophet devoted 9 chapters to measuring the temple? 9 chapters. What prophet did that? And number 8, is the health and wealth gospel true? The health and wealth gospel, is it true? So think about those questions and we'll try to answer those as we go, and I hope you'll understand why I'm asking these questions. Before we go further into our worship this morning, let's humble ourselves and have prayer.